Have you ever wondered how a machine just lines of code can create breathtaking artwork? From painting like Da Vinci to designing futuristic landscapes, AI is redefining creativity. But how does it work? And is AI really an artist? Stay tuned, because today we're diving deep into how neural networks can paint, the science behind AI creativity, and what it means for the future of art. At the core of AI-generated art lies a fascinating technology called neural networks. These are inspired by the human brain, consisting of layers of artificial neurons that process data in a way similar to how we recognize patterns. How does it work? First, AI is trained on millions of artworks from different eras and styles. Then, it learns patterns, brushstrokes, and color combinations. Finally, it generates new images by combining these learned features, either by mimicking existing styles or creating something entirely unique. One popular method used in AI art is Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. It consists of a generator, which creates new images, and a discriminator, which judges if an image is AI-generated or real. Over time, the generator improves, making the AI's creations indistinguishable from human-made art. Think of it like a student learning from a master artist, practicing, improving, and refining their skills until their work is almost flawless. AI-generated art isn't just for fun, it's transforming industries. Digital art and NFTs, AI-generated artwork, is being sold as NFTs for millions of dollars. For example, Edmond de Bellamy, an AI-created painting, was auctioned for $432,500 at Christie's. Game development and movies AI speeds up concept art creation, helping developers design fantasy worlds in minutes instead of months. Fashion and design AI assists designers in creating unique textile patterns, influencing modern fashion trends. Restoring lost art AI can reconstruct incomplete or damaged artworks, bringing history back to life. Imagine a world where AI collaborates with artists, enhancing human creativity rather than replacing it. That future is already here. Here's the big debate. Is AI truly creative, or is it just copying? Creativity involves imagination, emotions, and personal experiences, things that AI lacks. However, AI can generate never-seen-before art, challenging our perception of originality. Think of AI like a camera. It doesn't think, but it enables photographers to create art. Similarly, AI provides tools that amplify human creativity. The future of AI in art is limitless. AI collaborating with artists to create new styles. Personalized art that adapts to human emotions. AI-powered tools, democratizing creativity, making art accessible to all. Imagine walking into a gallery where the paintings change based on your mood. That's the kind of AI-driven art we're moving towards. What do you think? Can AI be considered an artist, or is it just a tool? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing AI content. Until next time, keep creating.